Hey, it's Mr. Peace. I'm here at Tarpey Elementary School, home of the Spartans in Clovis, California, part of the Clovis Unified School District. This is my third visit to the campus. Such a beautiful opportunity, beautiful day outside too. I got to talk to the grades 1 through 6 again, two separate assemblies. The focus today was on leadership, turning our passion into our purpose. In previous visits last school year, we talked about bullying, we talked about positivity. Today we took it up a level and talked about being a leader, right? What that really means. And so through a series of interactive exercises, some picture slides, some music, some inspirational videos, I was really able to hammer that message home, right? About respect for self, for others, about turning our passion into our purpose. And so the whole idea is that whatever we love to do, whether it's dancing, whether it's music, whether it's sports, whether it's singing, writing, reading, we can use our skills and our abilities, our passions, right, to go and help others. And that becomes our purpose. Why we're here on this planet, why we're here at this school. It's people first and it's things second. And so I wear this shirt for this assembly. It has different colors, the multicolor peace sign, because there's so many different ways to be a leader. Some of us lead with our voice, like me, I talk a lot. Others lead by actions, right? We're more quiet leaders, have that quiet strength, and that's fine too. There's no right or wrong way to be a leader as long as we're doing something to make a positive difference and impact on the lives around us, right? That also starts with remembering this concept that I bring up in all my assemblies, that all of us with the lines on our hand have the letter M. I trace one of mine here again. That M stands for miracle, upside down W for worthy, that we're all beautiful miracles worthy of love to both give it and receive that, right? But we really have to remember that. And when we start to think about our legacy, what we want to be remembered for, hopefully it is that compassionate person, right? That person that's being kind to others, treating people the way that we want to be treated as well. To know that there's certain things in our lives that we're going to do that we're not going to get a trophy for, we're not going to get any money for, or a certificate or plaque on the wall, but we're doing it because it's the right thing to do, because it's heavy on our heart. We're trying to be like someone else's helping hands, right? Leaving that legacy that people want to remember us for, right? We're doing something good, uplifting others, that we rise by lifting others, truly. And to know that we do the right thing even when no one's watching. There's so many times that, we're maybe not around an adult 24/7, but we still know what's right versus wrong. And we got to be like that bowling ball, like I talk about as well. Be the strong person with character, with values, with a foundation, tying to that RISE acronym here at Tarpey, and really, rise above that hate and make sure that we always show love, first to ourselves and then to others in our community. So thank you again for touching my heart. It was a beautiful afternoon getting to spend it with all of you here again. A lot of students said I was their inspiration, but deep down, you're all my inspiration too. So thank you for all that you do to keep me going, keep me motivated for the start of this 2023-2024 school year. As always, make sure to hit the subscribe button you'll see pop up on the screen. You can also check out this playlist below here for some additional motivation. And feel free to also visit my website by clicking on the peace sign symbol on your phone, tablet, wherever you're watching this video, to track my journey across this country as I continue to heal America's heart, one school at a time. Peace.